It is Sunday, and honestly, it's the first week after New Year's, so it's the first Sunday reset of 2024. I honestly don't even know if I'm gonna have time to do it in this video because I'm getting a late start to my day. It's around 2 o'clock. I'm not sure exactly what time it is, like 2:15. I just need to clean my apartment. I do that every Sunday regardless of the new year or not. I also want to go to Trader Joe's because I have seen a bunch of girls on YouTube. I don't really watch the girly stuff on other platforms as much, but I've seen a bunch of girls on YouTube putting eucalyptus in their shower, and I really want to do that. And I really want to try and make it a habit of going to get fresh flowers at least twice a month. Let's go ahead and get into this Sunday reset. I also said that I was going to go over my vision board for you guys, so I will do that, but I will do it later. I'm going to start with my bed because this stuff takes the longest to wash because I wash my blanket separately from like the sheets and stuff like that. Okay, one big thing that I forgot about that I want to do in this Sunday reset, being that it's 2024 now and the holiday season is technically over, I want to take down and put away all of my Christmas decor and just like have it back to my normal vibe in here. I am gonna be listening to music, so I'll probably just like, I don't know, speed this up. Yeah, let's just get to it. Okay, so you can see basically the bin is already full. I am gonna get rid of some stuff and just like really organize it. I also have a bin downstairs in my garage that I'm gonna go grab really quick.
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleepers. I got a queen, she lit me to eat it. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, where no love goes. Women buddy like it's been that. When me looking at the bill stack. Off the bubbly buddy, I've been stressed out. Let the smoke scream from my chest out. Laced up, I really hate love from a stranger. Shit is fake stuff, only need it from you. Yeah, crash land in the palm of my hand. Bad little flex, wanna play by the coast. Carry the torch, I'm way up, it's litty wherever we flow. I came from the cold, used to rest on the floor and stitch up my wounds, was born a soldier. Flipping the struggle, I'm taking it worldwide. Hold it down when you talk to me. Say it is what it's supposed to be. Say it loud, but I mean it too, yeah. Talk that good when you talk to me. Say it nice and I give it to you. You know my word is bond, yeah. What we on now is wild shit trip. Life is slid, take a breath.
So I have taken all of the decorations off my Christmas tree, except for that. I need to take that down.
Grab it, been a lab at it. The chief of the tribe I put on for my village. Used to be local, I'm taking it global. Sharp with the focus, she catching emotion. Treat that holistic, I give it a physics. Fuck your opinion, just did a show, only spit raw material. I'm independent, I'm in the building. Look what we built it, it feel like no ceiling. We taking it worldwide. Hold it down when you talk to me. Say it is what it's supposed to be. Say it loud, but I mean it too, yeah. Talk that good when you talk to me. Say it nice and I give it to you. You know my word is bond.
Okay, so I have my tree taken down. I wrapped twine around it to try and make it like more skinny, narrow, so that it fits into this narrow ass box. I don't know how I'm gonna do this.
Yeah, what we on now is wild shit trip. Life is slid, take a breath. It's it. Now it's wild shit a trip. Life is litty, the gift, chime in.
Okay, you guys, literally it is 6:15 right now, and I got locked. There's a hair on my face. I got locked outside of my apartment wearing this, and it is literally 30 degrees outside. I was sitting out there for like 20 minutes. I called the emergency maintenance line, and they were like 25 minutes away, and then my neighbor came down, and I was like, oh my God, thank God. I was so cold, and I still am so cold. And then my other neighbor, I was texting him, and he was getting his mail, and he came over and he hung this up for me. So now this whole wall just like has stuff going on. I need to buy some plants maybe to like put over here, or I don't know, I need something there. It looks so empty. Now I'm going to finish cleaning everything. I still want to go to Trader Joe's. I hope that cleaning doesn't take me longer than an hour, but we'll see. I think I'm gonna start with my bedroom because there's like not much to do in there. There's no way. I just put that in. Do one at a time. Okay, so my room is completely cleaned except for my bed, and I have some clean clothes on there that I need to fold. I also still have to wash clothes. I keep getting hair stuck to my face. Now I think I'm gonna move on to the kitchen area. There's not much to do in here. I need to clean off my island really quick, and then I need to wipe down all of the counters, the appliances, and my desk. Now I'm about to mop my floor. I'm gonna do it from back to front. I usually do it from front to back, but I'm gonna go straight to Trader Joe's. Okay, there's the Bromwell. We've toured that place before. I'm just driving to Trader Joe's. My windshield is totally cracked. I need a new one completely, but they're so expensive I cannot be bothered. There is also Madeira Cap Hill. We've also toured there. Very pretty apartments. What is this place? Should I go tour this? I think I should. I tried to take a picture of the building name and number, but my phone was not allowing for it. This person just saw me. So awkward. Hold on. Trader Joe's. Trade your hoe. Okay, I got the flowers and the eucalyptus. Okay, so I just got home from TJ's. I want to Okay, as I was saying before I rudely cut myself off, I just got home from Trader Joe's and I got the goods. I don't know if I'm supposed to just use one or two, but I'm gonna smash these and then I'm gonna tie them together. Okay, these are the flowers all done. I am vibing with it. I may need to cut these because they're just a little bit long, but for now I'm just gonna leave it. It looks really pretty. I'm going to do the eucalyptus. Okay, my battery's dying. I just really want to take care of myself this year. I feel like every year I always put like boys or like finding love, falling in love, and it just like hasn't happened yet. And I feel like a lot of the reason is because I always put everybody above me and I don't take care of myself and I don't do enough for myself, and I just like am always sad and let down by men or boys rather. I just get so upset all the time. And another reason I'm just like, first of all, not even trying to date anybody or be in a relationship right now because I have to get my surgery this year, and I just like that already is so much to deal with. I can't deal with like heartbreak or like being used or lies or anything. Like I just can't deal with it because dating nowadays is trash. Along with healing and stuff, I just really want to learn to love myself, take care of myself, buy flowers for myself. I always talk about how much I love flowers and I want to get monetized on YouTube. I have been doing this for a really long time now. It feels like a long time. I guess 4 years now, consistently or more consistently, and I really want it to happen this year. my job as a debt collector is great, but it would be really cool to finally have my dreams come true. And this is me being real with you guys. I'm not trying to, but when I was younger, I just remember watching people like Julie G, or there was this other girl, Blair, I think her name was. So many people, just so many of these people that I've watched, and they inspired me to be a better person or to change the way that I was living my life at that time. I want to be that for somebody else, and that's the main reason that I've always wanted to do YouTube. And then I destroyed my credit, and I need to get it back up. And I just need to be more like dedicated to YouTube. I really want to do more with working out this year and just like being healthy and eating healthy, really taking care of myself and making sure that I am in a healthy position so that I can attain all of my goals and so that I can heal properly when this time comes. That's my vision board. I hope that you guys like this video. It is like 3 weeks after I've actually filmed this video, but I'll see you guys in the next video. It's gonna be an apartment tour and I can't wait for you to see it.